Nokia is back. After years of silence, the legendary smartphone brand is making a massive comeback with a flagship killer, the Nokia Lumia 200 Ultra 5G. And trust me, this phone is insane. A 200 megapixel DSLR grade camera, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a massive 6500 mAh battery with 100W fast charging, all at an unbelievably affordable price. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let's break it all down. First things first, the looks. The Lumia 200 Ultra 5G sports a massive 6.9-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, rocking a 144Hz refresh rate and 390Hz touch sampling rate for silky smooth performance. And Nokia isn't playing around with durability. You're getting Gorilla Glass Victus and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Now let's talk about that mind-blowing camera setup. The 200 megapixel primary sensor features OIS, optical image stabilization, ensuring DSLR-level shots. Plus, you get a 32 megapixel ultra-wide and 5 megapixel macro lens for versatility. And for selfie lovers, a 50 megapixel front camera that captures stunning selfies and crisp 4K video calls. Under the hood, this beast runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, the fastest chipset yet. Whether it's high-end gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone can handle it like a pro. And the best part? It comes with Android 15 right out of the box, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience.